masigumba election haibasi masi Egypt war the coup to budona within the short notice government is a government my khudung chabagi matung inna election conduct tawi calling yes this is very fine formalities ti tawim adu khadiktan matam khara sangdon ba campaign to ba khobr pi ba khotpa haibasi which should have been adu tawdana yamna thuna as if war tawrga masi manung lotion da di yadi haidan ko da tobugum mata to this is dissatisfied and absolutely we are frustrated as a public amawena. Second thing, Home Minister Lamba, after lapse of so many months, Chomi, he is a big man. India 142 million crores ki Home Minister. I am fully aware. Not block the money chilam duguse. Minimum 25-30 departments saying with the ngaung ni chain bajani. I am fully aware it. Adugo laluba group na this chin cookie Joe. Sensi matangda. Tauriba persistently firing, killing, kidnapping, butchering. Asi pun masu Bharat Sarkar na karim to lumna lodugum to. Who is heading the Bharat Sarkar? BJP. I have a due respect, due regard. When you are allowing to kill and the butcher every day, firing, killing, how long and to whom and when you are going to complete it? Home Minister laga after 9-10 months I have a due respect, Home Minister. I mean the Home Minister. But the certain things I must point out to you and the government of India, you must listen, and the government of Manipur. Shirimi se kana no. Responsible persons and elite personalities like Manipur ki macha singam to yaro moine ko. Government of Manipur, nobody seems to involve your near and dear one. So let the other people, poor people, go and kill. So what? If I am wrong, pardon me. But I am sure that none of your close relatives are involved and being killed. Manipur Sarkar, why you are so weak? I have a due respect for the Manipur Sarkar. You have done many good things, I agree. And the Thoib incident is very unfortunate. BJP government, very unfortunate. Thoib incident, you wanted to bring the normalcy and the free from the drugs. This is a very wonderful suggestion. Okay, we agree fully. Adubu, Thoib was a one-sided when the Bharat Sarkar is doing with Cebu. Why you are not trying to come forward and the protest to the government of India? This Chin Cookie Joe, let nobody dare to say, or the Prime Minister or to Home Minister, to anybody. I will say it as far as the loudest, the clear tone. Makoina tahun mapuna mag suspension of operation the pahil laga nongay pahil laga halali mapuna magase. Who is responsible? Is the Manipur government? Are you responsible or irresponsible? Or the government of India? Are you willingly? Apparently, you are willingly close your eyes and you are permitting them to use the sophisticated arms and ammunitions. This illegal people who are driven out from the Laos and the Myanmar, Burma and the Thailand. Hatoli punamusu. Asi manung election hai. So is it so mandatory? Me hat ki me kalau mungi mapu mai mapa sigri mai mapu gobil sigri kana mungi mama sigri kana mungi macha sigri punamusu masigi su kana na masigi daitwa logu tagine. Adu manung da ko election tawdaba jade higher constitutional obligation. Constitution who frame it? Government of India, you are responsible it. Nang Ladakh pudi khaido pujari. Adu ki JNK with 370 Article 35 is lauto pujari. Okay, then you are very powerful. We are happy. Okay, you are bring it. Adu Manipur the nar sanghar. Asumain tawdna hatna tori punamusu. Why you are not vociferously you speak and you spell out the government of Manipur? We have a high respect. Very high respect I had. The amount of respect you have honored from the Nagaland and from neighboring state. Aisha Chali, Honorable Chief Minister, kind enough to ask me or request me, Tamo, I chatke, Tamunum to Nagaland Chief Minister, what is Sabu? Ayana chatke. I went, Nagaland Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, no, Mr. Singh, I will meet first Mr. Biren. I will come back. Noi Manipur Chenga, no Euromadu Chagani, Hainamona Assamese thing with the Harianagamis. Lie. They came back to the Kangla. We have taken them. Impal Hotel, Classic then the premier hall the meeting to check pigeon checker. Then again the chief minister called me. I wanted to go to the Canada Hornbill. Okay, sir, you are my chief minister. I salute you, Tamochatken. We arranged it. This may be the first of its kind in the history of the Manipur. The ISTB team Punama in a Puraga, department Madugi, my quarter, Lehil, Kolar Chahan, the technical Torga, hold their running commentary, Pin and Abahina, Shiem Kangdi Akwentobani. Yes, everybody treated him, our chief minister, in a differently. State Tarukti Lakwa chief minister, Punamo sideline Toruga. Manipur chief minister was honored, and I am proud of that. Because we have gone in advance and we have arranged. I served there for so many years. I know almost all of them because of my long serving it. Haigali. At the same matang dadi, akoy chin cookie jonatori's matang that why you are so weak, government? Why you are so leniency? Apparently you are having a too much soft corner, or what? Home Minister La Habirum Kari Habirumi Manipur ko hum do tukra kabhi bhi hone nahi denge. Fine. अगर आप भारत सरकार का ही टुकड़ा करेंगे वो हम होने नहीं देंगे भारत सरकार जब तक मणिपुरी का आखिरी खून होगा तब तक मणिपुर को दो टुकड़ा कर ही नहीं सकते भारत सरकार we are not a servant of the government of India. We are a citizen, proud citizen of Manipur. Atuka scheduled tribe ki maramda you have not spelled out. Manipur government is silent. It is a very wonderful, and we are shouting. We are fighting to just, we were tribal, we shall be tribal, and we want to be tribal. Kanana thinge, chingali, we punamang the tribal, olu, Manipur, we people, our forefathers, in Makok, Leigraba, Larigama Leigraba, Mayang, Onramatam, the Equipum Hindu, then Ola, no, we are higher caste, upper caste, super caste, all, Nashi the Quinamuka Nirido. Adu Niribanina. Mamang Sarkar se bo bi sab mamin ushale chaki hajigi government se tore ne to why government civil tribal ne tan se bo why lai khangi amu chingi na mohor kadra hai mo ne horu se kari to ge are you not the head of the government, or the government why you are biased to us and the other side other tribal we have over the he ki gum to ba adi miti no wa ma talu ta mo no pudulu hoy kapulu hoy to why matagum. This is a absolutely unwanted situation. We don't support it, government. NRC matang the government, you didn't sell, home minister, you never said anything. Why? Is it the pressure mounting from the different other state, some other terrorists, they are mounting pressure on you? NRC to utar the moi mission 90% no chakrani haidana. Why the home minister, why he didn't say in his Sankalp Patra, in your own language BJP Sankalp Patra, why you didn't mention that NRC? Without NRC Manipur cannot survive. This is the Manipur government, you should have reflected, but you didn't do it because you had to seek permission probably from the headquarters. Adu pattedo. Adigi FMR tawri. Okay, FMR kar matum loigani. 75 years both the FMR the kilometer tarini parmo tongam durga. How many years, how many centuries will take place? Of course, some initiative you are taking it. I requested Paliva Sarkar, I have a due respect. He has done many good things. He is the only chief minister who has traveled the entire parts of the Manipur hill Punmagta. He is the hilly tribal chief minister. We are proud of it. He visited Nagaland. He visited Assam. He visited many Manipuri places. We are proud of you. Certain things you have not done it. This is we request you. No, you have to fulfill it. You are a popular chief minister among the Indian three. We agree with you. We agree. But why you are so scared, your government? There are certain things NRC you didn't speak. Home Minister didn't speak because perhaps you have not pressurized. You didn't say even a word that Home Minister never said a word that scheduled tribe man koi khanari jengani kot kani koi jana bhi jenge. Suspension of operation ka hal bise thone thingan ge hai bise Home Minister never said this word. So koi suspension of operations ki matang do khanagani khan how long? Ab kitne saal? Kitne baras? एकजुट के बिताएंगे आप ऐसा मत कीजिए होम मिनिस्टर जी enough is enough. My lady My respected lady is here. She represents from the BJP. One is a Congress. A Congress haibasu. Right is the right. Wrong is the wrong. Government haibasu. What is good? I will say. What is the drawback? I will say. This is the fundamental rights to point out. This is what I say.
ai dialog kim sa thap tai oja sunam ni lakcharage oja sunam ni yamna nongai paw mun khoi ngasi gi khoi UPSC na loba examination da manipur da gi khoi gi satra khara yaure taramuk sab sabdi khongdi subject to correction khoi gi maitai community de yaure kuki community ju loina naga community ju yaure putna khoi gi satra taramuk ki subject to correction is main yaure yam nongai paw mun aduga khoi gi hojik dialog ta changjal kan dialog ki topic ta changjal kan da oja sunam ni ju political commentator ma oiri mani both BJP Congress ade atop party dol sing loina independent tholai mayam sida hayeng na election campaign loi gado rabani na koi hojik both party both big house adi BJP amadi Congress ta gi jo NRC gi matang da karim ta hai gi blai manifesto da ST gi matang sa gi blai tre shu gi matang da jo yam kana hai gi blai tre sina maram oiraga oja gi mota maru oiba party political party sing da hayeng phaubuda kari issue base haura gadi kari wa haura gadi undecided voter sing se chingchan bangam gani oja sanam ni mo
akoi priorities election is not the priority akoi the pharmacy peace should be restored at the earliest without delay even a fraction of a second asine kona pharmacy election campaign thunulation in one way it is displeasure to the other some party or it is good in one way election gi process campaign se jamna sangdaring hoy issue se makhan su thokani awana su yamna nangani sentum su bari the kaithok khotok patobu khopasuma masi su random oigin masa good in one way aduga handi se nampu sa sundana tawre yamna short oigiba even 1 week kumaka pi na ko torma di katang super chumi ko ti paisa na leiba ngaktani akoi se camelon akoi nimit leigum mo yani rabi sab na pallibodo akoi ideology di manipur di jeng batan jad except CPIML manipur the one Mangi Singh one of our friend one of our brother mark tani akoi communist gi Chongthoga ati Congress or the government ma Minister Agriculture perhaps ay mapandali ripne kuina ako college pudi ako na tongan tami 63 64 da tongan tami otherwise CPIML leftists normally 99.99% se moi gi kari haini makui gi party ki affiliation se moi kya hongde otherwise koi ayaram gayaram chatpe se punsi chup u na la mani adu ako na pami se Home Minister or Prime Ministers akoi pam se moi campaign bo lakpigano karim ta kaide lakpigano it's okay ceasefire something suspension of operation na tawriba जिसको भारत सरकार ने खुल्लम खुल्ला छोड़ के दिया कैन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया यू डिनाई इट आपके बिना इशारा से क्या इन लोग बंदूक पकड़ सकते हैं नेवर इट इज पॉसिबल नेवर इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ योर सिंपैथेटिक एटीट्यूड what Manipur government can do it Manipur government hands are tied they are the puppet of the your BJP government और क्या कर सकते हैं मसीन कोई नुआई तिरबा अकोन permanent suspension of operations who are those are they above the government of India are they above the Manipur government according to me they are the illegal migrants they are the terrorists they have occupied forcibly our country, erstwhile country and the present state. Manipur government should have voiced earlier long before. Yes, Suga Moiga tripartite talked over the Manipur government in Thagarpamalai, which the Manipur government, she had deliberately said that no, we cannot go along with the Shu activists. Mashima Jai. The Bharat Sarkar, aapko niyat kya hai? What you are supposed to do, Bharat Sarkar? आप क्या खामोशी रहे? आप देखते रहे? आप आपका खून खराब होते रहे एंड यू आर एंजॉयिंग इट यू आर सेइंग दैट वी विल डिस्कस इट हम बातचीत करेंगे किसके साथ करेंगे इनको हमारे दावा हमारे डिमांड है कि सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशंस को दिस इलीगल एक्टिविस्ट एंड दिस ड्रेटेड क्रिमिनल पीपल बी अरेस्टेड व्हाई यू डिडंट से एनीथिंग भारत सरकार आप इनको आपने फ्री छोड़ के रखा है your armies and your paramilitary forces, your CFPF, all these people are roaming, tamasa देखो, खाओ, पियो, ऐस करो, पेट्रोलिंग करो, खत्म. क्या कर चुके इन लोगों ने क्यों नहीं? आज भी फायरिंग हुई है भारत सरकार. मणिपुर सरकार, can you protect the life of these people? Manipur Sarkar, you have put us like a prisoner. We are not allowed to go to the National Highway 37. Why? We are forbidden to go to the National Highway 2. Why? Why we are not allowed to go to the More? What is the freedom we are enjoying it? And what is, and why should I be kept as a prisoner? How many people can afford to go by here? Why should we go by here? National Highway belongs to the nation. This is called a Rashtriya Marg. So BJP Sarkar or BJP government, what did you do about the Rashtriya Marg? ये तो आप ही का है National Highway. आप इसको भी protection दे ही नहीं सकते. Then how can you protect the entire Manipuri people? And we are armless people. मत नहीं तो दे दो. न कोई नशक को उनिंग दे बने. होम मिनिस्टर आए गए बात की आप चले गए तो फिर इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It doesn't matter anything to us. नहीं लागत रहो से मत नहीं. लाकलो करीम तो कही दे. Manipur government, you cannot take the action of these MLAs or the ministers as if there is no law in Manipur. There is no law in the what is called the member of legislative assemblies. That there is no article, no law is applied to these 10 defaulters who are orchestrating, sitting in some other state and blackmailing with the enjoying of the salary of the Manipur government. What Manipur government you can do? You can't do. अब सांस भी ले नहीं सकते, अब बात भी नहीं कर सकते. We are not happy on this matter, Manipur government. I tell you very frankly, I have a due regard to the Manipur government in many respects, but there are certain things which you could have done it. You are our guardian. We want you to continue. Let me be very frank. This present government, in many respects, you have done very good, but certain things you have miserably failed. National government to receive your Thao purple, I say, she no main couple is Subu Rashtriya Marg, the National Highway, the Karigino Manipur government and India government protection people, why the Manipur government, so them no may pipe, Sugi, activists, Punamuxi, no major Mulaga, Lotog, Mo the tripartite Toki agreement, Edi with the Karimo is a Pabangam, the Karigino, Manipur Sarkar, so much at the Honmangam, the Karigino, Bharat Sarkar, so Karigino, forget about the election. Who comes or who doesn't come, हमें क्या जाता है? अगर कहीं तो उधरी, कहीं तो नहीं लाकने नहीं minister उधर. What do? I am the least person to come and beg for any help from you. So I show my tanga to the any government. I don't need any kind of thing. But we are here to tell you that what is a right or white is a white, black is a black. No कोई शु कीरे, no शु दो central government have you put मधु तो नहीं इन्ना तो लेता है. अगर इसे मी बखों मखा दे ले वो चप माना बरे. No, we are not ready to listen all these things. अगर को खायत करनी, अगर हाई करनी, फारे तमु जेल तो what can you do at the most? By telling the truth, if you want to put behind the bar, it is up to you. We are not happy on you. Neither the central government nor the state government. There are certain things. तो वो जापा, कर दिहाई बम थोई तो न के दो एक, अदिगी आयराम गैराम से थोप पुजारी, करियुमा कोई बीजेपी दी के लायक फन कागरे, it is okay. कहावरो नो अते तो पुनो मुकारो, then who knows? You never know. Your head will be rolled. Possibility? अकोई दे पामी वैसे करीम ने पाम देख अकोई दे पीरी वर राइट्स कुकी दे सुपियो मिहात पर सिंह को नागाती गी ट्रैप दे सुपियो मोई दे पीरी वर फैसिलिटीज अकोई दे सुपियो अकोई पुन्ने हिंग मिने से हाई बेत तमकतनी. Yes, Biren Singh has done one good thing. करीम ने हित मयाम अति स्टेट तो उन्नवतन जय हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मा कोई साब को उन्नवतन जद in my mere capacity I met हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मा साब 3 times. अंदर तसु माना मणिपुरी मयाम के तमक मिति में एक अमदी मिति लोंगो एसोसिएट लैंग्वेज का पुख्तन तो I have spoken, I have sent my message in Assamese. I map ohum lag unare. I didn't have any job, not for personality, but for the Manipur community. Ako ni chatna ohum lag makwo unai. He was very happy. Hi birthday neighbor के से कोई फजन लेने बताएं. We want a top chief minister now. Let it be the Congress, let it be BJP. We don't want the tattoo. मीना हरगा है तो नहीं और दिल्ली तो नोंग तार के सीधे साथी नान कुप्पदो अति तो बीरनो. You have to act like a top man now. Manipur में चे तागदी तो बम निमित खुद में मी हालल इसी वो Manipur government have you forgotten it? अति दिखर कं तक्सन में दरकार ले देने को. भारत सरकार ने कम थोड़ी से मोई मरीयम ले ही हबा. मरीय से करी नो है कोई खंग दो जाती है बा. mari se shondi chongchang ru tar da koi mari se kom haktan akoi se lon mafam man khangru dori ba very simple logic national highway that thing na chahi ma thing na thami so why Manipur government you never take it serious ipai pu nongsa kadai chakrage tamdali ba mayam singsi nongmai pai na village guard tawdu mane BBF singsi tawbu kopadi Manipur government your administration and security advisor you take it so serious okay fine which has come under the purview and within the ambit of this security purpose. Okay, you apply any kind of section, no problem. How about the shoe activist? They are filing day and night. Security advisors, sir, you are the deputation is from the government of India. You are as good as so you are a chief minister. Is it not your high responsibility, sir? Can I request you? Or you want that only we people, the armless people that are being got killed? adu amane pungka ta kapal kumar ka madi wa wahim ta haibe sa bar sakan haido sina armini ne to ning to bani mane to bani ushit to ni hanne yeng da bani CAP ne hanne yeng da bani ye paramilitary jeng de base kari gino haibe se there is always a reasonable the suspicion reasonable is always there matam punna khod hangiya ba masa ko sarkar ne somni to bani sarkar ne somni any matter the so lukai dene ako ye national highways in phajana chalhallu this government of India अकोई पीसता थंबिउ ने नमित खुदिंगी पोर्ट की ममन से हेंगलीबा हुरान न मयम से लाई पुना मसे मसीदा रेस्टोर तोहनबिउ नेशनल हाईवे चलनबिउ भोट ता अमन अंडरग्राउंड न से लित कायु अति गवर्नमेंट सुपाइशनु नो प्रॉब्लम
नेशनल हाईवे चलनबिउ अकोई पीसता थंबिउ शांति थंबिउ हरि बिने रोसना मन याम फसै आई
दिस 10 MLAs and minister कदुके मोय मखादर मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट लेडी से नतन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मणिपुर की मखाद नतर मोय लेडी बसे तमनिंग द तौब तल मोय मत एक्शन अम त लौतु दिस what is the administration in Manipur hai wai se mulai ne
oja sanam ne thank you tagat tilo oja sanam ne khoi matam jam la silak tare na mani jo last minute amai manun ngangbio last message to voter last message
chumi khoi madam ar ke pramodin man hairi to khoi jam shahun ge to buni but she is very cool and patient oi bani na explain to reply I fully endorse it must happens every day but this is very wisely handle the situation congress tumin legre akoi se pele chumi bharat hai je sarkar sa chubani khara lag khara koi tam de so pai aduna anyone election ko thada botan jada chumi akoi me pull request tawjari matik chaba me who can really tackle and handle the situation thag raga da koi gi jetum na ki mame akoi machin pull thambado 543 MPs ki manungda machin pulla thambadu adu ko yam ure adu midri to birunu we have had enough like me above 80s 82 83 ko suru akoi na ji MP ro ai kari to udurna so young folk kandak la punamas I really suggest I pray to God I sure the hijabani below 60 or okay 60 50 or the 40s the on conview young energetic oiba akoi gi issue pukapangamba आता कदम चेन ब खोपतो नि 142 crores की मयाम की नोट ब्लॉक साउथ ब्लॉक योजना भवन दिस भवन दैट भवन शिक्षा भवन लेबे से फाकी नती पाक चल को सेक्रेटरीट गुम ने चंगुर पुंगाई उनदो नती इट विल टेक यू डेज टुगेदर persistent physical pursue है बदो दिल्ली द कुछ कोई न लेरक पने न को द PM president अमा मत को कर उजरे so mazugum patience labor tremendous patience labor file ma sigi mup to give the man special interest lo dana akoi state ki chokhat na ba khopra to bose mohin to bidre badi adigi clerk labor dealing assistant akoi labor desk officer leiden minister me mawa ga ta ponte aduna akoi ne sigi na campaign to bodang madunga to don't believe we want in the ground reality who can really deliver goods there adu me young folk thagat peo Congress oisunu BJP oisunu anybody oisunu any party RPI khang the independent khang the select your choice but don't select the wrong choice yan tabiu
select your